You want to replace and upgrade the ear pads on your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 headphones. My name is Or from Wiki Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I'll also show you our brand new WC Freeze ear pads for that model exactly. So, let's start the video. Okay, so let's start. It's going to be fairly straightforward, but it can get a little annoying with the way these cushions attach to the headphones, and I'll show you why once we install them. On one side, we have the stock cushions. On the other side, we have the WC Freeze. They are unique to the left and right. You'll notice by the shape, once you remove it, you'll know which one has to go where. And let's start. I'll show you how they are removed. You simply pull them out. The way they are installed is there is a backside lip right here. We'll try to get a good look. This lip right here. And that goes into this gap that is right here. All right, I'll remove the WC Freeze one so I can show you the differences. So as you can see, first thing out the bat, the WC Freeze are much bigger ear opening. They're slightly thicker. They're not gonna be super thick, double the thickness like we do our other pads, because the clamping force is just gonna be unbearable with this headset if it's gonna be that thick. They're made with our new fabric, cooling fabric on top, cooling fabric on the inside. You have a layer of cooling gel on the top and a layer of cooling gel on the inside of the pad. So let me show you how to install them and why I say that it gets a little bit tricky. I always recommend you want to start with the corner, and that's how you know which one is the right, which one is the left. You'll see that the shape fits it because it's a very unique shape. So I'm going to start with the corner. I'm going to try and put the corner in like this, and then I'm going to hold it like that, and I'm going to put my index finger inside and try to guide the rest into the gap. While I guide the rest, I'm just going to keep on holding it and move my hands around, and then you're going to try and what I do want you to try and do is once you put your index finger inside, you'll be able to control the backside lip. So you want to try and guide the backside lip. Look how I'm doing it with my index finger and my thumb. And then you want to put it so this is where it gets a little bit annoying. Towards the end, you have to apply a little bit of pressure in order to get it in. Because of that unique shape. All right, seems like we got it in. And then once it's in, sometimes it will get deformed because you put so much pressure on it. You want to just give it a quick shuffle like this. Try not to get it out of place again. Just want to make a quick shuffle like that, and then it will come back to its shape. I'll do the other side with the original cushions. It's the same process. It can get annoying as well. You want to start with the top corner, and then you want to again pull it. And then towards the end is where it gets again a little annoying. All right, and now you want to shuffle it again. Make sure that it's all in place. And that is it. This is how you replace the pads. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.